I am fat. I am. I'm so. I'm so goddamn fat. Trying to take down those calories by drinking tea. Tea is good for the tummy. It's good for the tum. So you want me to lose weight or something? You want me to lose the weight? Go on a YouTube challenge and start marking my calories? No. Oh, yeah. Yeah, boy. Oh my god. Look at that. That's like... I was listening to the Bertcast yesterday, and he was talking about how Daniel Tosh is telling him how fat people have really good calves. Well, let me tell you, shit's really tight. Oh, really good calves. I was told by a military personnel that my calves were good. Oh! She was in ROTC, but still, military. With just me wanting what I want. I'm very hedonistic. Don't we all want to fill a hole?
Don't we all want to fill a hole? Don't we all want to fill a hole?
Don't we all want to fill a hole?